Are you aware of the impact personal hygiene has? In manufacturing, it's crucial. Poor hygiene can lead to contamination and health risks. Let's explore how to maintain personal hygiene in this environment effectively. First, let's define personal hygiene. It refers to practices that keep individuals clean. It ensures safety, prevents illness, and enhances productivity. Start with a daily routine. Always wash your hands before starting work. Use soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Hand sanitizer can be a backup but shouldn't replace washing. Next, wear appropriate clothing. Always wear clean uniforms and personal protective equipment. This protects not only you but the products you handle. Don't forget about grooming. Keep hair tied back and away from equipment. Avoid jewelry, as it can trap dirt or bacteria. Healthy habits matter too. Stay hydrated and eat nutritious meals. Good health reduces absenteeism and boosts morale. Now, let's look at an example. Imagine a worker in food manufacturing. If they forget to wash their hands, it risks food contamination. That could lead to severe consequences, from recalls to legal issues. In summary, personal hygiene is vital in manufacturing. Clean hands, appropriate attire, and grooming habits protect everyone. Remember, your hygiene impacts the entire workplace. Take action today. Review your hygiene practices. Share this video to spread awareness. Let's maintain a safe manufacturing environment together. Maintaining personal hygiene goes beyond individual practices. It fosters a culture of safety and responsibility within the entire workforce. When each team member prioritizes hygiene, it creates a ripple effect that reinforces standards across the board. Regular training sessions can educate everyone on these best practices, making hygiene an integral part of the company's operations. Additionally, providing accessible hand-washing stations and sanitation supplies ensures compliance and convenience, encouraging a continuous habit of cleanliness. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels accountable for their role in promoting health and safety. Everyone benefits from this collective effort, resulting in a healthier workplace and enhanced productivity. As we unite in our commitment to hygiene, we not only protect ourselves but also our colleagues and the end consumers, ultimately leading to greater success in the manufacturing sector. As we reflect on the importance of personal hygiene in manufacturing, let's commit to being proactive. By taking simple yet effective steps, we ensure a consistent standard of cleanliness that safeguards health and enhances efficiency. Each of us has a role to play, and through collective effort, we can build a brighter future for our workplaces. Remember, the benefits extend beyond individual protection. They create a robust foundation for the entire industry. Together, let's champion personal hygiene as a critical aspect of our professional lives and strive for excellence in every task we undertake. In doing so, we not only elevate ourselves but also set a precedent for generations to come. As we look ahead, let's encourage open dialogue about hygiene practices. Creating forums for discussion, where employees can share experiences and tips, will enhance our mutual understanding. This collaborative approach will empower everyone to contribute toward a hygiene-conscious culture, reinforcing our commitment to safety in every aspect of manufacturing. In conclusion, prioritizing personal hygiene in manufacturing is not just a responsibility but a vital commitment that shapes the future of the industry. By fostering a culture of cleanliness and safety, we create a more productive environment that benefits everyone involved. Let's firmly uphold these standards for a healthier tomorrow.